Hello and welcome to our Lenovo 100E LCD replacement video. You'll need a few tools to get started, like a static mat, a spudger, and a manual screwdriver. Step 1. Unscrew the 10 bottom cover screws. Step 2. Use your spudger to carefully pry up the bottom cover. Step 3. Disconnect the battery. Step 4. Put the bottom cover back on. Step 5. Remove the bezel with a spudger. Step 6. Remove the 4 LCD screws. Step 7. Remove the LCD from the top cover. Step 8. Disconnect the LCD cable. Step 9. Remove the LCD. Step 10. Reinstall the LCD. Step 11. Reconnect the LCD cable. Step 12. Put the LCD back in the top cover. Step 13. Reroute the LCD cable. Step 14. Screw in the LCD. Step 15. Reinstall the bezel. Step 16. Reconnect the battery cable. Step 17. Reinstall the bottom cover. Step 18. Replace the 10 bottom cover screws. And now your repair is complete. Thank you for watching this video today. If you have any further questions or need further information, we'd always love to hear from you. You can contact us via our website at agpartseducation.com.